if your AirPods Pro case is not charging properly, then there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. So first thing first, ensure the case is charged. Press the status button on the AirPods Pro case to see if the LED light indicates the charge level. Amber for charging, green for fully charged. Or simply use a different power source. Plug the charging cable into a different USB power source, such as a different USB port on your computer, a different wall adapter, or a USB charger. Also inspect the lightning cable for any damage or debris in the port. Try using a different lightning cable if available. Then, check for any debris or residue on the charging contacts inside the AirPods Pro case and on the bottom of the AirPods themselves. You can also use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the charging contacts, ensuring they are dry before attempting to charge again. After that, reset the AirPods Pro. If cleaning the charging contacts does not resolve your issue, then try resetting it. Place both AirPods Pro into the charging case and close the lid and wait about 30 seconds. Open the lid and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber a few times, then flashes white. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issues of your AirPods Pro case not charging properly. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.